In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your ads manager, or simply how to start advertising on Facebook if you never did before. So first of all, you should have your personal profile. Yes, you should start with your personal profile. Now, when you are in your Facebook, if you already have experimented with Facebook ads, you will definitely have Ads Manager menu on your left. If you don't have this menu right here, maybe click on See More and check if you have Ads Manager menu somewhere here. If you still don't, no worries. You can easily enter it via plus sign on your right, in the right corner. Click Create, and here you will have Add. So just click on Add. You will get this pop-up at first if you never advertised on Facebook before. You just need to close it and continue to your Ads Manager. This is your Ads Manager, brand new Ads Manager. This is the system where you're going to advertise your business. This is Facebook advertising system, so get familiar with this. And I'm going to show you how to manage your campaigns, how to create your campaigns in our next lesson, as well as how to set up your ads manager if you're just starting.